Hi, I'm Stephen from Click LCA, and today I will show you how to use the Send Me Data feature. If there's a case where you have been given a BIM model, for example, a Revit file, and you don't actually have Revit, how do you continue and are able to continue with the assessment in Click LCA? The person who has sent you the file might have access to Revit, so what you can do is ask them to send you the file. All they have to do is install the plugin. In the case of Autodesk Revit, it will be from the App Store. After that, they open their model, like I have done on my page. They open the plugin, and then they click on LCA in Cloud. This starts the import process. If they would have a license themselves, they could start it, but otherwise they can click on Send Data to another user. All they do here is fill in your email address, fill a message, and click on Send Data. You'll get an email, and following this email will allow you to start the import process just like you would have uploaded the Revit file yourself. And that's it.